Okay, so as you know, we're in a polar vortex and it is cold as heck outside. I'm currently waiting on roadside service to come start my car because my car won't start and I'm starving. So while I'm waiting for roadside service, I'm gonna make some keto French toast. Let's do this. In the bowl, I have 3 eggs and a half a cup of coconut milk. It'll work better with heavy cream, but I don't have that on hand, so I'm going to use what I have on hand, and that's coconut milk. So 3 eggs, half a cup of coconut milk, and I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of sugar-free maple syrup and cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Okay, so cinnamon to taste, however you prefer. And I'm just gonna whip that up. And I'm currently using the sugar-free Healthy Life bread, and it's actually 6 net carbs. So that's the bread I'm going to use. You could probably even do the keto bread if you like. That would even make it less carbs. But this is what I have on hand, so this is what I'm using. I'm just stirring that up. Making sure it's well incorporated. And then I have a tablespoon and a half of butter. I'm using the Countryside unsalted butter. And I'm just going to melt that a little. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit more so that melts. And now I'm gonna dissolve that a little. And I'm the only one on keto, so I'm the only one that eats this, so yeah. I'm using my fingers. Do however you prefer. About 3 minutes on each side should do really nicely. Look at that sizzle. In the comments below, tell me what comfort food that you like to do for your keto diet. I was really craving bread today, so I wanted some French toast. Just move it around a bit so it doesn't stick. Beautiful. My cameraman today is my son Adrian.
Hey.
He's helping me out with this recipe. Hope you're able to enjoy it. On this cold day, it's like 17 below zero outside and the wind chill is like ridiculous. So comfort food is wonderful.
Watch, I'm gonna let you be my camera guy next time. Cause I'm getting popped in the arms and stuff, my arms and stuff. It do.
Let that cook for a few more minutes or so. And while we're cooking, just post in the comments what you're eating today for your keto diet. Now, since we cooked it in butter already, what I'm going to do is just top it with some sugar-free syrup. And it is done.
It's like a pillow. It sounds like a pillow hitting the floor.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching. And please comment in my videos and subscribe. Any comments are appreciated. Wonderful. Low carb French toast. Comfort food at its best. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.